Have you ever wished you could be a YouTuber but didn't want to show your face? You're not alone. Faceless YouTube channels are exploding in popularity, and it's easier than you think to start your own. More and more creators are finding success and large audiences without ever stepping in front of a camera. The beauty of faceless YouTube is the low barrier to entry. You don't need fancy equipment or years of video editing experience. What you do need is a great idea, a clear voice, and the passion to share your knowledge or creativity with the world. Whether it's gaming, finance advice, cooking tutorials, or anything in between, there's an audience out there waiting to discover your unique perspective. So, are you ready to dive in and learn the secrets of faceless YouTube success? Let's get started. The first step to YouTube success, faceless or not, is finding your niche. What are you passionate about? What do you know a lot about? Your niche will be the foundation of your channel, so choose something you're genuinely interested in. This will make creating content much more enjoyable and sustainable in the long run. Once you've identified your niche, it's time to set up your channel. Choose a catchy name that reflects your content and create eye-catching channel art. Don't underestimate the power of a strong first impression. Your channel art is like a storefront, so make it inviting and representative of your brand. Next, it's time to plan your content. What kind of videos will you create? How often will you upload? Consistency is key on YouTube, so create a realistic upload schedule that you can stick to. Now that you have a solid foundation, let's move on to the fun part, creating amazing content. The heart of any successful YouTube channel is engaging content, and faceless channels are no exception. While you won't be relying on your facial expressions or on-camera charisma, there are plenty of other ways to captivate your audience. High-quality voiceovers are crucial for faceless channels. Your voice is your primary tool for connecting with viewers, so invest in a good microphone and practice your delivery. A clear, engaging voice can make all the difference in keeping viewers hooked. In addition to voiceovers, consider incorporating visuals like animations, screen recordings, stock footage, and text on screen. These visual elements can help illustrate your points, keep viewers engaged, and add a professional touch to your videos. Remember, a picture is worth 1,000 words, even on faceless YouTube. Section 4. Tools of the trade, software and equipment. You don't need a Hollywood studio to create professional-looking videos for your faceless channel, but having the right tools can make a big difference. Luckily, there are plenty of affordable and even free options available. For video editing, software like DaVinci Resolve, free version available, Filmora or Adobe Premiere Pro, subscription-based, offer a wide range of features to help you create polished videos. Don't be intimidated by these programs. There are tons of tutorials available online to help you learn the ropes. When it comes to recording your voiceovers, invest in a decent USB microphone. You don't need to break the bank, but a good microphone will significantly improve the audio quality of your videos. Audacity is a great free audio editing software that allows you to clean up your recordings and add effects. Section 5. Inspiration Station. Successful Faceless Channels. One of the best ways to learn the ropes of faceless YouTube is to study successful channels in your niche. Pay attention to their video structure, editing style, use of visuals, and how they engage with their audience in the comments section. Take, for example, channels like Kurzgesagt, In a Nutshell, or Lamino. These channels consistently produce high-quality, informative videos using stunning animations and captivating voiceovers. They prove that you don't need to show your face to garner millions of subscribers. Another great example is Chill Hop Music, a channel that uploads copyright-free lo-fi hip-hop beats. They utilize aesthetically pleasing visuals and a consistent brand identity to create a relaxing and engaging atmosphere for their viewers. By studying these successful channels, you can glean valuable insights and inspiration for your own faceless YouTube journey. Section 6. The final word, consistency, is key. Starting a faceless YouTube channel can be an incredibly rewarding experience. It allows you to share your passions, connect with like-minded individuals, and potentially even generate income. However, it's important to remember that success on YouTube, like any platform, requires dedication and hard work. The most crucial element of a successful YouTube channel, faceless or not, is consistency. Upload new content regularly and stick to a schedule that your viewers can rely on. Engage with your audience in the comments section, respond to messages, and foster a sense of community around your channel. Most importantly, have fun. Creating content should be an enjoyable experience. If you're passionate about your niche and genuinely enjoy the process, your enthusiasm will shine through in your videos and attract a loyal audience. So what are you waiting for? Start creating.